On the third day of Navratri, the third power of Goddess Durga is worshipped. This avatar of Goddess Durga is known and worshipped as Ma Chandraghanta. Her forehead is bedecked with the crescent moon, resembling the shape of a temple bell. In this form, her complexion was golden and she possessed 10 arms. In 9 of her arms, shielded the following weapons: a trident, mace, arrow, bow, sword, lotus, gourd, bell, and a kamandalu. While with the 10th hand, she blessed her devotees. Her vehicle is a lion. This form depicts that Adi Shakti can be terrible and malevolent towards her enemies while being compassionate and motherly towards her devotees. Shiva, after losing Sati, had become detached from worldly affairs and had retired into the mountains in deep meditation, isolation, and austerity. But after seeing Parvati resolve to get him, Shiva relents and agrees for the marriage. On the day of marriage, Shiva reached King Himavan's palace in a most terrorizing form, along with the strangest marriage procession. His body was smeared with ash, with snakes around his neck, and in the matted looks of his unkempt hair. His marriage procession consists of ghosts, ascetics, sages, goblins, ganas, ghouls, and aghoris. Upon seeing such a terrorizing form of Lord Shiva and his strange marriage procession, Parvati's mother and other relatives are left in a state of shock. Most of them faint purely out of terror. To avoid any embarrassment to her family and to Lord Shiva, Parvati transformed herself into a terrorizing form, Chandraghanta. In the form of Chandraghanta, she prayed and persuaded Shiva to take the form of a handsome prince and also turn his marriage procession nobler. Shiva thus reappeared as a charming prince bedecked with many jewels. Shiva and Parvati's marriage was solemnized as per rituals. The day of their marriage is celebrated as Mahashivratri every year. By the grace of Ma Chandraghanta, all the sins, distress, physical suffering, mental tribulations, and ghostly hurdles of the devotees are eradicated. Riding on the lion, she exudes fearlessness in her devotees. She also embodies serenity. The devotees who adore and worship her with their deeds, mind, and speech develop an aura of divine splendor around themselves. It is said that they can easily achieve success in every walk of life. Ma Chandraghanta is ever ready to destroy the weak being, but to a devote, she always appears as the kind and compassionate mother, showering love, peace, and prosperity.
प्यारी प्यारी माँ हमारी, प्यारी प्यारी माँ हमारी, आ भी जाओ।
प्यारी प्यारी माँ हमारी, आ भी जाओ।
मेरी मैया आओ, महिमा माँ दिखा जाओ। मेरी मैया आओ, महिमा माँ दिखा जाओ।
न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी, न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी।
सब पे दया तेरी बरस रही है, अखियाँ मेरी तो यूं तरस रही है। माँ भवानी अम्बे रानी मैया आ जाओ। माँ भवानी अम्बे रानी मैया आ जाओ। मेरी मैया आओ, महिमा माँ दिखा जाओ।
न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी।
ममता भरी तेरी आंचल की छाव, नित नित पखारूं तेरे मैं पाव। कर दे पावन मेरा आंगन मैया आ जाओ। कर दे पावन मेरा आंगन मैया आ जाओ। मेरी मैया आओ, महिमा माँ दिखा जाओ।
न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी।
विपदा हरो माँ जय हो तुम्हारी। पाप हरने माँ कल्याणी मैया आ जाओ। पाप हरने माँ कल्याणी मैया आ जाओ। मेरी मैया आओ, महिमा माँ दिखा जाओ।
न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी। न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी। न्यारी न्यारी सबसे प्यारी माँ हमारी। न्यारी न्यारी
कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Taam tikitaam Hittakitaam tikitim Hittakitaam
पिण्डजप्रवरारूढा चण्डकोप अस्त्रकैर्युता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टा इति विश्रुता